Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your phone device name in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys your phone device name in your Vivo phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change device name in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your device name. So you can see guys this type of setting. Then guys you will have to scroll it. Then guys we will scroll. After that guys we will have to guys click on guys this about phone settings. So guys we will click here, and guys you can see device name, and guys you can see this pencil option. So guys tap here, and guys again tap here, and guys we will cut this name. Guys we will change into guys Vivo phone, and guys okay. And guys now you can check your device name has changed in your Vivo phone. So like that guys you can change your device name in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change device name in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on guys next video guys with a topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.